This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet sandwich in a sandwich maker. First, gather your ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and any fillings you love, like cheese or ham. Next, preheat your sandwich maker for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and hot. Finally, lightly grease the cooking plates with a little butter or cooking oil to prevent sticking. Now let's make the omelet. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk them well. Carefully pour the egg mixture into one side of your preheated sandwich maker. Close the lid and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg is set and lightly golden. This creates a perfect, fluffy omelet base. With your omelet ready, it's time to assemble. Place 1 slice of bread on the empty side of your sandwich maker. Carefully transfer the cooked omelet onto this bread slice. Now, add your favorite fillings, like a slice of cheese or some cooked ham, right on top of the omelet. Finish by placing the second slice of bread on top. Finally, close the sandwich maker lid firmly. Cook your omelet sandwich for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the bread is beautifully golden brown and crispy. The cheese, if you added any, should be perfectly melted. Carefully open the maker and use a spatula to remove your delicious, hot omelet sandwich. Enjoy your quick and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.